You may be wondering, if you want a divorce, how on earth do you get started? What do you file? If you know it's time for you to file for divorce, I will tell you exactly today what you need to file to get started. After consulting with your attorney, the very first thing that's going to get filed in your case is an original petition for divorce. This document is going to outline a handful of kind of standardized things. First and foremost, who you are, what the parties are you married, and if you're married, do you have any other kiddos? If you have children, what are their names? What are their ages? What are their birthdays? Very generic information about who you are and what your family is, so that way if and when you end up in front of a judge, the judge knows who they're dealing with. Beyond that, your original petition is going to have a handful of things that are required across the board. Number one, if you do have children, what you want to do with your kids, both from possession and access, conservatorship, is someone going to pay child support, and how is insurance going to be handled? Your original petition for divorce will also outline how you expect the property division to go. Do you anticipate an agreement with your spouse? Or do you think it's more likely that the court needs to divide up the property between the two of you? Beyond that, it's really important to make sure you state that the court may need to confirm your separate property. The last thing that you want is for the court to consider something as community, when in fact it would never be in the pot in the first place. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If not, check out our website at vergestexas.com.